The Westinghouse 7802400 white ceiling fan features a timeless design that complements any interior decor. Equipped with a powerful silicon steel motor, this fan operates quietly while efficiently circulating air. Its reversible switch and 3-speed settings make it suitable for both summer cooling and winter warmth. Ideal for rooms up to 400 square feet, it delivers impressive airflow at high energy efficiency. The fan includes a convenient downrod and lead wire, ensuring easy installation in various room settings. Backed by a lifetime motor warranty, it promises long-term reliability and satisfaction for its users.